Hello guys, how are you? I am Mr. Louis and this is a special video for the problem that you guys in 6th grade you are suffering a lot. So I'm gonna do very quick because it's late, I'm tired, and well, I hope this is like the fourth or the fifth time that I explain this. So you know the problem, okay? I'm not gonna give you a lot of things. I know that you know the problem. The problem is a boy hit a baseball and it went 12 yards, 2 feet, and 3 inches. The question is how far would the catcher or would the other person have to run if he ran to get the ball and then run back to the base with it? I repeat the problem. A boy hit a baseball and it went 12 yards, 2 feet, and 3 inches. How far would the other boy have to run if he ran to get the ball and then run back to the base with it? The distance is 12 yards, 2 feet, and 3 inches. If the boy, my other friend, needs to go and return the same distance, so what we need to do is to duplicate the same distance, meaning we need to do an addition, 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 plus, sum, okay? Good, so let me erase that. Okay, I have here prepared the addition with the going and the coming, and the coming back. 12 yards 2 feet 3 inches plus 12 yards 2 feet 3 inches. Okay, so what we do? 3 inches plus 3 inches, 6 inches. 2 feet plus 2 feet, 4 feet. 12 yards plus 12 yards, 24 yards. Okay, until here we are okay. Now we need to pay attention to our converter chart where it says 1 foot is 12 inches and 1 yard is 3 feet. So if I have these 6 inches here, I'm gonna put these 6 inches here, and I see that 6 inches is not even 1 foot because I need 12 inches to convert that into 1 foot. I leave the 6 inches like that, okay? I'm gonna change the color here. So here, 6 inches is my answer. Good, no problem, nothing to do. Now I continue. 4 feet. Here in the chart, it says 1 yard is 3 feet. 1 yard is 3 feet, right? But I have 4 feet. So I'm gonna represent my 4 feet here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm talking about these 4 feet. I'm representing them here. 1 feet, 2 feet, 3 feet, and 4 feet. If my chart says that 1 yard is 3 feet, what I'm going to do is to get 3 feet to convert these 3 feet into 1 yard. And this foot is gonna be next to the yard. Okay? It's gonna be a leftover, whatever, or remainder, whatever you want to call. Okay? So what I do with this? This I move it into the operation here. And the yard, the 1 yard, I move it into the yard column, which is, let me change the color so you see. Here, 1 yard. And the feet goes to my new answer. 1 feet. And that is my new answer. Why? Because I use the other 3 feet to convert them into 1 yard. Okay? I hope you understand this. Okay, now let's erase this. No, this doesn't work like that. Well, let's leave it like that. Let's continue. Now, I continue with the yards. Now, I remember that I had 24 yards here, but what happens, sorry, but these 24 yards, but what happens, I have another one, another yard, okay? So 24 yards plus that yard is gonna be 25 yards. And this is going to be my answer of the baseball problem. 25 yards, 1 foot and 6 inches. I hope you understand. Jesus Christ, this is like super clear. Let me change this. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do, no, I don't like that one. Let's try maybe this one. Okay, I like that. Okay, I'm going to erase all this. Okay, and now I'm gonna go with the other problem that was the addition. First, the addition. So in the addition says that I have 1 mile, 1 yard, 1 yard, 4 feet, 2 feet, 3 feet, 5 inches, 3 inches, and 4 inches. Okay, I organize all this in a way that's like a proper operation. Remember, it's an addition. So 1 mile goes here, 1 mile. 1 yard here and the other yard here. 4 feet here with the 2 feet and the 3 feet. And 5 inches with 3 inches and 4 inches. Okay? We don't need this anymore. This, we don't need it. Okay? We don't need this. Sorry to do that, but I don't know how to erase it faster here in Paint. I mean, I know, but it takes a lot of time. So what I do is to do the addition. Okay, 1 mile, 1 plus 1, 2 yards, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 3, 9 feet, and 5 plus 3, 8 plus 4, 12 inches. Now I go to my chart. Let's try the chart here, the chart that I have just a moment ago, where it says 1 foot equals 12 inches and 1 yard equals 3 feet. So first I go, now I'm going to change the color so you can see. First I go to my 12 inches. If my chart says that 12 inches is one foot, I convert my 12 inches into 1 foot. I hope you understand that, you see? 12 inches is 1 foot, so I convert this into 1 foot. So when I convert this disappear and converts in 1 foot that I'm gonna put here in the feet column. So remember that it was 9 before, so 9 plus the new foot equals 10 feet. 9 plus the one that I convert from the inches. Goodbye you, 0 inches, 10 feet. Now I have 10 feet And the chart says here that 1 yard is 3 feet, and I have 10 feet. So let's do it this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 feet. If I get 3 of this 10 feet, 3, I'm gonna get this 3. This 3 is 1 yard. This 3 is another yard. And this 3 is another yard. Why? Because 1 yard is 3 feet. 3 1 yard, 3 1 yard, 3 1 yard, 3 1 yard. And this one remains. So that's one what? 1 foot. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 yards. These 3 yards go here to the yards column. 3 yards. Remember that we have 2 before? Now 2 plus 3 equals 5 yards. Okay, and now here is not 10 feet anymore. Now it's only 1 foot because the rest of the feet became 3 yards, and these 3 yards now is 5 yards. Goodbye this, and that is the answer. And the mile is equal. 1 mile, 1 mile. What is the answer? What is the answer? I'm gonna write the answer here. 1 mile, 5 yards, and 1 feet. It's right here. Right here. 5 yards, 1 feet. Excuse me, here. 1 mile, 5 yards, and this 1 foot that is here. And this is the answer for the addition. Okay, I hope you understand this. Now let's go with the last exercise, which is the subtraction, which is super easy, but anyways, the majority did it correct, but anyways, I'm gonna give it to you. We have 3 miles, 1 mile, 5 yards, 1 yard, 2 feet, 1 foot, 9 inches, and 6 inches. Same situations, I organize all this. 3 miles, 1 mile. 5 yards, 1 yard. 2 feet, 1 foot. 9 inches, 6 inches. It's a subtraction, minus subtraction. 6 minus 9, 3 inches. 1 minus 2, 1 foot. 1 minus 5, 4 yards. And 1 minus 3, 2 miles. Answer: 2 miles, 4 yards, 1 feet, 1 foot, and 3 inches. Okay. My chart is not necessary here. Remember my chart that says, my chart says that 1 foot equals 12 inches and 1 yard equals 3 feet. In this case, it's not necessary because 3 inches is not enough for one foot. I need a minimum. I need 12 inches. It's not necessary. 1 foot is nothing because I need 3 feet for 1 yard. And yards to miles is impossible because I need a lot of yards to have a mile. So the answer is this one. Okay, guys, please check it out. Okay. In addition, in this is a video for you guys. It's great. You know that I love you. You know that you are super cool with me. I'm gonna miss you a lot. But I was checking the grades, and you need to do this homework so you don't have to be with me the next week. Okay, so you don't lose the year, or you don't have to be working more the next week. Okay, maybe you have problems in the other subjects, and we don't need to do this. Really, we don't need to do this. I mean, in this group, really, probably 1 or 2 students, but the rest is not necessary. And I was checking the grades, the scores, and there are like 6 or 7 students that they're losing with me, and that's not necessary, guys. Do the activity, please do this. In a moment, I'm gonna send another video, and please do also the wall project. You have a video for that. It's in YouTube. Okay, okay, guys. See you in a moment.